The PAWS airdrop is gradually coming to an end. This last tax activity check is now live, which is very important, and this is taking us a bit closer to TGE listing and all of this stuff. So let's do this tax together. PAWS one last ride. The final mandatory check is live. Only those who finish it will stay in. So we have to do this right now by going to this very PAWS website and check it out. So let's do this together in this very video. So I will click on this and then I will open straight up. So simply click on verify yourself. I'm going to use PAWS Telegram app. So right here you come to this hamburger sign, then you click on this very claim button. Okay, and simply scroll down a little bit. You see activity check, which is very important. We've been waiting for this very tax, okay, which is part of the mandatory thing you must do to get this PAWS airdrop. So simply do this very tax, and you should do it right now. It's a simple tax. Just do this tax. I am not a robot. So select all image with bridges. Okay, this is a bridge, this is a bridge, this is another bridge. I think, let me check verify. Oh, that's great. So I've done that. Now in your own case, that very activity check may be different. My own is bridge, your own can be bus, some can be bicycle. You know how this thing looks like. Okay, so do this tax and ensure that your mandatory tax is 4/4 completed, which is very important. So you can see my year, this is completed, this one is completed, this one is completed, and this last one is completed as well. And if you go down a little bit, you see my recommended tax 3/3, this completed, and this completed. So right now I am fully in for this very airdrop, and I believe you are in as well. So ensure you do this very tax as we wait for the TGE. Personally, I believe the TGE is going to come in this very month. With the way things are going, I was expecting this month and next month March, but it's like it's going to happen this very month with the way things are going right now. So please do this tax right now and get ready for that very TGE and listing. And this is a very important tax all of us on the PAWS airdrop must do to be eligible. This is very important. So claiming of PAWS is going to be available very soon, which is the next stage. As you can see right here, the first one was this wallet connection, and the second one is eligibility check, which we've done before. Now activity check have been completed. The next one is this very claim PAWS. So don't miss out, guys. Stay updated, and that is very important. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment for more crypto news, update videos, day trading and investing strategy. Thanks for your support.